from HKS. I did order a filter for my car. That's it. Alright. I guess these filters keep getting smaller and smaller. Alright. This is it right here. This is the new style filter they make for better flow. The part number there. Let's open it up. Ooh. Okay, it's sealed in the box. It's nice. Let's open it up. For a minute I thought I had to put this together, but I guess not. They already did it for me. Got the HKS hologram sponge. They got the new honeycomb style grill. The new style they have. Aluminum housing. And this should be 3 inches. Let me see. The tape measure. 3 inches, it'll fit my car perfect. And we are at 3 inches. So we look bigger than 3 inches, so it should fit right over. Come on, nice, really pretty. It's gonna go nice in my interior. I've been waiting like 2 weeks for this. Took them, and I paid for express shipping, but being that it's COVID, it took longer to get to me. I guess they had to make it or something, I don't know. But it looks pretty good to me. You can see a hologram. See it? And then if you ever want to change it, just unbolt this and unscrew that, and you should be able to take this whole grill off to change the sponge inside. It looks pretty neat. I'll show you guys what is going on. This is where it's going on, guys. So pretty much it's gonna go right there, but I'm gonna have a pipe coming from there, and it's gonna sit right about there. It's gonna look just like that. Should clear my hood. Yeah, it will clear my hood. So just like that's gonna be. The setup is going on. Can't wait to install it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.